Hey guys, it's Cal, and for today's video, I really wanted to film a holiday makeup tutorial around this time. Late November, early December. Basically, we're just going to try to achieve silky skin, red lip, maybe something fun on the eyes. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but here we go. I already have moisturized skin, but the primer I'm using today is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've used this countless times on my channel. You guys are probably annoyed of some of the products, but I have changed up most of the products I'm using, so you guys will definitely see new stuff today, don't worry. This is definitely one of my favorite primers, I love it. Probably should have put my hair behind my ears before this. In the past, I have applied this primer with a beauty blender, but I just think our fingers are there for a reason. My skin is so dry here. I feel like I have to use way more primer than when I'm in LA versus when I'm in Chicago. But I really love this primer. It's so moisturizing. I also put this primer on my eyelids too because it's so good. You can use it for everything. My primer is on my face. Now for foundation, I'm using, this is honestly one of my favorites right now. It's the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. We are going to be kind of putting a lot of makeup on today. I normally don't wear a ton of makeup, but for this look, I'm excited. I wear the shade 1C1 Shell. This shade is maybe a hint darker for me, but if I wear oversized sweatshirts or turtlenecks, I can kind of get away with it. I'm just starting with 3 pumps on my hand, and I just go in with a wet beauty blender with this foundation. I haven't done makeup on camera in a while, so it's kind of like I'm learning things that I already knew a while ago. I was wearing blue mascara the other day, and my blue mascara loves to stay on my face, so I definitely still have some under my eyes. So, I don't know about you guys, but midterms threw me up against the wall, threw me on the floor, made me lose my mind completely. I lose my mind when I don't have time for myself along with going to school at the same time. If there's a full week of just school, 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 you can't spend time on anything else, I lose my mind. I don't even know. I always wipe my foundation off my lips. I hate when I leave it on, which I never do. And also, if anyone's looking for a new chapstick that doesn't have the product in it that makes it more dry, so you buy more chapsticks and they make more money, Kopari's chapstick lip glossy is amazing, especially if you're in dry weather or climate, which is probably everywhere right now. It's unreal. Obviously it's coconut oil based. I always do my eyebrows after foundation, so that's what's happening today. I have been using this Diorshow brow styler for so long. I love it. It's so great. You don't really have to put in a lot of effort to fill in your, not lashes, brows, which is what everyone wants, isn't it? I really don't think we're going to have a ton of fallout with our eyes, so I'm just going to go right in with my concealer. The concealer I'm using is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. I love this as well. I only put about like that much under my eyes. I don't really put concealer anywhere else except, that one's kind of faded. It just blends out so nice and it really brightens it up. The translucent setting powder I'm using today is the Too Faced. Since I did put foundation on my eyes, I just want to set them. And this is a Morphe M581 brush. I have used this brush for a while. I love it. For bronzer today, I'm using the Laura Mercier Soleil. I believe it's how it's pronounced, 1. It's this matte bronzing powder. It is literally one of the best bronzers I've ever used in my entire life, but I'm not kidding you, this color, this bronzer color is seriously unreal. Okay, for blush, I'm using the Laura Mercier Peach Blush Color Infusion. I wear this all the time. I especially love it with monochromatic looks. put extreme blush on the eyes, extreme blush on the cheeks. It looks so good to use as eyeshadow and on your cheeks. I'm only going to do about, I think the color picked up really nice with just 2 swipes, but this is just the Chanel powder brush if you're wondering what brush I'm using. For highlighter, I love to mix the Too Faced Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer Highlight Duo and then the NARS Albatross. Oh, I love that name. So this is the Albatross NARS, and then here's the highlighting duo from Too Faced that I'm literally obsessed with. The highlighter brush I'm using is Laura Mercier Fan powder. I keep it in its nice protective fun pouch. Also, this brush makes it so easy to apply. And then I'm just going to go back over it with this. But since I'm done with my face, I'm going to move you guys closer so we can do our eyes. For the transition shade, I'm using the Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in the shade 1 from Laura Mercier. This is seriously one of the best powders. I'm obsessed with it. It kind of has a translucent tint to it. If you guys can see. Yeah, you can totally tell. I'm just using this Morphe E27 huge fluffy blending brush. And I just use this color as the crease. It's super natural. I use a lot of perfecting powders for eyeshadow bases, even transition shades, because they're just the perfect shade. I want to go for a more shimmery base, so I'm taking the translucent loose setting powder in Glow from Laura Mercier. This is one of their newer products this year. When I received this in the mail, I was obsessed with it. It comes with an awesome brush. Like this. That's what the brush looks like. And you can just apply it on your cheeks wherever you need. It's unreal. But I'm just going to be using this tapered blending brush. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. The only thing I'm going to sweep under the eyes is taking that powder again from Laura Mercier. Something else I've been literally in love with are these Too Faced liquid eyeshadows. I do wear the blue a lot because I own this blue mascara from Urban Decay, and I'll wear these a lot together. Holy crap, it looks so cool. I did wear these together to Coachella as well, which is just a festival. But for today, I'm thinking we add some of this on our eyelid, kind of like a liner. Oh yeah, this is definitely the call. Inner corner highlight, I'm going back in with my NARS Albatross highlighter. For mascara today, I'm using the NARS Climax mascara. Look how amazing this packaging is. I'm in love with it. This is a great mascara. I've used it more than a few times. I hate wearing mascara on my lower lash, but I might add a little for this look. I'm taking this new lipstick from Bobbi Brown in the shade Red Carpet. It's Luxe Matte Lip Color. I'm obsessed with the packaging. It looks like this. And then I want to add a lip gloss on top. So this is a lip lacquer or lip liqueur. I can't. Who cares? In the shade Red District from NARS. I love this packaging too. I forgot my lip brush with me, so I'm not going to be using a lip brush and then outlining my lips. I'm just gonna wing it. I love a good red lip. Wow, this lipstick makes it really easy to outline without a lip brush. Wow, this is a really great red color. I'm kind of just gonna dab a little off because I had coconut oil chapstick on before I applied the lipstick, but going in with the NARS on top. Let's see. Oh, whoa, that's amazing. I really love this red lip. I love how it turned out. But to finish it, I always have to set my face. I love the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. I have a travel-sized setting spray for this. So we're just going to... So here is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you love it. I'll try and link down the makeup that I used down below in the description box. And if you want to follow me on my Instagram, it is just at Kallie Kaiser. But have a lovely day. Happy holidays. I'm so thankful for all of you, and I'm really excited to be filming again and uploading. And I love you guys. Bye.